So in today's video we are going to cook coconut jollof rice. You can see this is the coconut water or coconut milk I'm going to use. I have 2 tins here, and tomato or sardine, and this is my president rice. I've already started parboiling the protein, that is chicken. It's already done. I'm gonna remove it now because it has cooked for more than 20 minutes. I'll bring it out now and I will start to make the coconut rice. So keep watching. Let's remove this chicken. Let's get it out. This chicken, I will be drying it in my oven as usual. I will be drying it in my oven. So keep watching and stay tuned. So now I'm done removing it from the pot. Look at the chicken, and this is my pan. I will be using it to dry it. I will add it here now and add it in my oven to begin to dry. I don't like to fry chicken again because of the oil and everything, so drying it in the oven is the best. Look at it. So I will transfer the chicken stock here. I set it aside. And I'll go ahead to parboil the rice, guys. It's optional. If you don't want to parboil it, you can as well soak it in the water with hot water, and but this I will have to parboil it today because I want it to cook fast. So I'll allow it to get boiled like 2 to 5 minutes. Then I will wash it and seal it and set it aside, and I will go ahead to prepare the sauce. So guys, we will go ahead to add cooking oil and allow it to get warm before we can add our onions. So we go ahead to add our tomato. So guys, really, I don't know what is happening to my ring light. The light is going off. So our tomato is now dried. You go ahead to add other things. I'm adding seasoning, that is Maggi cube. I'll go ahead to add the pepper I blended and the mackerel tin. I remove the water and I'm going to add the Titus, okay, and I will stir it. I will allow it to fry a little bit, just a little bit. I cover it to fry a little bit before I can add the stock and the coconut rice. Just keep watching. So guys, now it is okay. I add a little bit of Maggi, and this is paprika. I will add paprika, and I will add turmeric powder. So I will go ahead to add this our stock. Our stock here, the chicken stock. So you can see how it is. I will not forget to add a little bit of crayfish for taste. Oh, my light is off, guys. I don't know if you can see the face of this. My light is off. My ring light is, I think the front instance of my ring light is now half died. It's expired. So I will add now the, oh, this is the coconut milk. Okay, I added one of it and I will add the rest, the coconut milk. So guys, when we add the coconut milk, we go ahead to stir and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, yeah, allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, you have to test it. I can now test it and see if I have salt in it. So I add a little bit of salt, not much though. Just test it before you can add, to not to put much. So I added this salt and I will cover it to cook for 3 minutes before I can add the rice. So guys, now you can see our chicken is done. Yeah, this is our chicken. It is done. We go ahead to bring it out. Yeah. So guys, you can see now that it has boiled. Look at how the sauce looks like. The coconut milk has showed. Guys, I'm sorry, this film I'm filming it without light. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I will try myself. I will try my best to brighten it up. The front instance of my ring light, it is no more lighting. Okay, so just manage this video. I will brighten it up for you to see it very well. So after adding the rice, I have to turn it very nicely. Okay, look at it. This is our coconut rice. Our coconut rice is ready. So I make sure that I put all the rice inside here. So, and I'll go ahead to use foil to cover it very nicely. So I'll go ahead to use foil and cover it so very nicely. Because you know jollof rice is very nice to cook with heat. If you cook your jollof rice with heat, it will done very well and give you a very nice flavor and sweet at the same time. So I will wrap it very nice with the foil and still use the lid to cover it, so and reduce the light in a low heat and allow it to be cooking. I will get to you when it is done, guys. Keep watching to the end. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and please let me know where you are watching from. Don't forget to give me a comment. Let me know what you think about this coconut rice at the end. Thank you so much. Keep watching, see the outcome of this coconut rice at the end. So let's see how it is cooking. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, do you see how it is? It is done. Our rice is done. Our rice is done. Do you see how our coconut rice is doing? It's doing awesome. Wow, I love this. Very nice, well cooked. Let me see if it is done. Very nice. That's so yummy. so yummy. That's so yummy, guys. I will have to add a little bit salt, guys. Oh my god, this is so yummy. I like jollof rice or coconut rice when it have something like, when it's something like this. When it's something like this, you're gonna love it, love it, love it. So share it to your family and enjoy. So don't go away. Let me show you the outcome of this our delicious coconut rice. So now I will off the stove or the gas. Yeah, so to cover it, I don't want to cover it again because it is done. Yeah, look at it. So after cooking this, you will not go back and begin to cook another rice. You will say, no, I will eat coconut rice. Minus coconut rice, I'm not cooking any other food or any other rice. Just prepare it like this and you will thank me later. So, and here are the chicken I made for this.
I really want to be happy and jolly. Chiquado space, Chiquado space, oh Chiquado space. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle.